right, welcome back, and we're going to solve some more systems. All right, we're going to solve this linear system right here. Looking at solving this, which method should we use? Well, looking at it, once again, if you looked at my other tutorial, we can solve it using elimination. All right, eliminate, or we can using a little substitution. All right, it's Cajun for substitution. Little joke for you. Well, looking at this, in order to evaluate, I'm going to look at both equations. I see that y is by itself. So in order to solve this, what I'm going to do is, I think, since y is by itself, I'm going to use a little substitution. All right. I'm going to solve for y here. All right. Now to do that, I'm going to actually add the y to the other side and then subtract that 1. So what we should have is 2x. I'm going to subtract that 1 to the other side. I'm going to set that equal to y. All right. So y can be by itself. It seems to be a pretty good way to do it. All right, so now that I have y, which equals 2x minus 1, I'm now going to substitute that in for the y of the other equation. All right, so what I'm looking for is an intersection. So what we have is 8x, all right, plus, now we're going to have 4, and then what we have is we're going to put in our y value, which is 2x minus 1, and that's going to equal 6. From here, we're going to do a little algebra. So we're going to have 8x, we're going to have plus 8x, it's going to be minus 4, and we're going to have it equal 6. We're going to have 16 here. I'm going to add the 4 to the side, add the 4. So then I have is 10, and now we're going to divide by 16. So we have x equals 10 divided by 16, which we can take out a 2 out of each one of these. So we have 5/8. All right, 5/8 appear to be is our solution. All right, for x. Now, if we have 5/8 here, what we're going to do next is now we're going to solve for the y value. So we're going to take our y, all right, and we're going to take this value and plug it back in. So we're going to have 2, all right, that's going to be multiplied by 5/8, all right, and I'm going to have minus 1. And what we have here then is this will cancel out, this will turn to 4. We'll have 5/4 minus 1. We need a common denominator, so we're going to make this into 4 over 4. And then what we have is 1/4. Okay, so what we have here is a solution then. I'll change my color so you can see this. We have a solution then of x equaling 5/8, which is located right here. And we have a y value of 1/4, which we see is located right there. That's going to equal y. I'll circle this. And there we have a y. All right. So that's why we use substitution for that one. All right. And let's try another one here. All right. So here we go. Oh, wow. All right. So what we have is we have this. And kind of, see, we have 2 different variables, okay? So I probably won't use substitution for that. What I see in the bottom right here is that I have y by itself again. All right. Prime candidate, or solve the system using substitution. So what we're going to do is we're going to solve for y. So I'm going to have y equals, all right, I'm going to add 3x to the other side. That makes it kind of nice. We have 36. All right. So we're going to use substitution. I'm going to take this y value. I'm going to plug it into here for that y. So what we have then is 2x plus 5 times 3x plus 36 equals 10. All right, so from here, we're going to do is now we're doing our finish our algebra. So we have 2x, we distribute the 5 through, so we have 15x. We got to multiply 36 times 5. Let's see if I can do this in my head. And we got 0, 5 times 6 is 30, 3, 1580. That's a big number. All right, that equals 10. Add these together, what we have is 17x, and then we're going to take the 10 and divide this by 180, all right? And what we have then is this right here is going to turn into, what is that going to turn into? Did I do all that right? No, I didn't. What did I screw up on? That's 17. 180. I don't divide that. Oh, geez Louise, what am I thinking? Sorry about that. All right. And what we're going to do is we're going to subtract, sorry, 180. That would make more sense. 170. Okay. Divide by 17. And that appears to turn into 10. So x right there, x is going to equal negative 10. X equals negative 10. All right, that seems pretty reasonable. Now from there, we're going to take our x value, we're going to plug it in, substitute it back in to our original one, y equals 3 times negative 10 plus 36. So now we have y equals negative 30 plus 36, which we can simplify to 6. All right, so what do we have here for our solution? Our solution then is going to be x equals negative 10, and then y is going to equal 6. All right, well, that's our point of intersection. All right, so once again, two different problems. Be careful on doing your algebra. I was going to get a little loopy here. All right, make sure you do algebra correctly. If you do, substitution can work great. What you're looking for, again, is in your system. System means you have two equations or more that are alike, and you're trying to find an intersection of them. But look to see if you have one of the variables, which is by itself. From there, you can solve for it and use a little substitution to eliminate one of the other variables. All right, so I hope this helps you out. Good luck and God bless on the rest of your problems.